The materials you'll need for the citrus salt scrub are 1 to 1.5 cups of Epsom salts, half a cup of coconut oil, orange, grapefruit, and lemon essential oils, and a wooden spoon to stir. You start by adding the Epsom salts to the coconut oil and mix thoroughly. Next, we add our lemon, orange, and grapefruit essential oils. We will add 10 drops of each of these. We mix thoroughly again. Now we are ready to add our salt scrub to a container. Depending on how much exfoliating power you like your scrub to have, you can use less or more Epsom salts. In this recipe, I used 1 cup of Epsom salts to half a cup of coconut oil, but 1.5 would make for a much grainier exfoliating scrub. It's all about preference. And now you're finished. Citrus salt scrub in under 2 minutes.